How to fix Huawei Mate 70 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection. And after checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. If you turn on this power saving mode, then turn it off. After turning off your power saving mode, then go back and scroll down and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset and click on reset network settings. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.